Hi, I'm Tracy from Fiddes Australia, and this is Heidi, our Training and Technical Manager. And today we're going to show you how to rejuvenate your hard wax oil floor. We're frequently asked, how often do I need to recoat my hard wax oil surface? Well, it depends on how you care for it. We do have a whole nother video on aftercare and maintenance, so you can watch that on our YouTube channel. But generally, those high traffic areas may need some love and attention earlier than the less used areas, but generally between 4 to 10 years will be when you'll want to recoat that surface. So the first step in rejuvenating your hard wax oil surface is to give the floor a cutback. What do we mean by a cutback? We're essentially just going over it with a light sandpaper, or in this case with our Legla single, with a maroon pad. Depending on what you've got access to, if you're a flooring contractor, obviously you'll have one of these machines, but as a homeowner, you probably won't. So we have an answer for you as well. Okay, so Heidi's going to show us using the Legla single with a maroon pad how to cut back a surface. Go for it, Heidi. So Heidi, how heavily do we need to cut back our hard wax oil surface?
So essentially all you're doing is just running it over once or twice with a maroon pad or a really worn out screen.
Excellent, thanks. Okay, so as we said earlier, as a homeowner, you probably don't have access to the wonderful Legla single. So Heidi's going to show us what you can use.
So essentially, you just get one of these extension poles, some very fine grit sandpaper, and just run that up and down the floor. That's all you need. Simple as that.
Now Heidi's finished cutting back the floor, we just need to remove the dust. We're going to give it a vacuum and just run over it with a microfiber mop. Okay, so the final step now is the best part, recoating our beautiful floor. Heidi's going to run us through how we're going to do that.
So basically, all you need to do the job is a paint tray, a 4mm microfiber roller. I like to personally use the paint tray because we can use the grooves to squeeze the excess out, and it's as simple as that. So off we go.
So as you can see, rejuvenating your floor is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you to Heidi, our Training and Technical Manager, for showing us how simple it is to do a recoat on your floor. Don't forget, your coverage rate is 20 to 24 square meters per litre. Our clear hard wax oil comes in matte, silk, satin, gloss, and the brand new Ultra Raw. So you can choose any of those sheens. Doesn't matter what you had before, you can go over the top with any of them. Also like to remind you that our hard wax oil is food safe. It's also water resistant and stain resistant. And as you can see, super easy to recoat.